Have you ever wondered what $1,000 will get you at Lululemon? If you have, don't worry, I got you because I just bought a bunch of stuff from Lululemon, so we got a massive haul to do. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Did you expect more items in my hand? I don't really know how many things I have right now, but I will have everything listed and linked down in the description, so go ahead and check that out if you guys see anything that you like. I did spend around $1,000. Some things are tried and true staples that I love, while others are like newer items that I wanted to try. I did purchase half of the things on We Made Too Much, and then the other half were full price. Starting off with something I am so excited about. This right here is a new arrival, and if you didn't know, I am currently traveling around Italy with my boyfriend. I'm filming this 2 days before I leave, so by the time you guys see this when it's uploaded, I'll be in Rome right now. We're going to Rome, Florence, Naples, and Bologna, I think it is. So we're going to those 4 places for 10 days, so I'm so freaking excited, but I had to pick this up before my trip, and I just want to open it and show you guys. That way I can immediately pack it. It is the roll-up travel toiletries kit. It is pretty pricey at $58. This is the tag. They had a solid black one, which is this one, and then they had a black and like a gray kind of color. First we have this little lock like this, and you just pull it. It has buttons. And boom, it's one of those like hanging toiletries, so this is going to be great to just put in our bathroom. We'll have all the necessities that we need, feminine products, hygiene products, all of that, and then just hang it somewhere in our bathroom, which I will have like a hotel tour and everything. But if you want to see like more up-to-date stuff of what I'm doing, what I'm eating, what I'm looking at in Rome right now, definitely go ahead and check out my Instagram. It'll be here for you guys. Go give that a follow because I do upload a lot more on my stories, but not to worry, I will have vlogs, videos. If you have any recommendations on what you want to see, what I should eat, stuff that I'm gonna buy, because I'm gonna do a lot of shopping there, don't you worry. Definitely make sure you are subscribed. I can't believe this, like I'm just so excited to go. But anyways, this is item number 1. So far it's good quality. I do feel like the price is a little steep, especially because you can buy these a lot cheaper at other places, but a lot of the time you are just paying for like the name of Lululemon, which is over here, their little logo. But I like the fact that it is compact. We'll have to see how much I can actually fit in here, which you guys probably might have seen how much I can fit in here because I am doing a pack with me kind of vlog before I go. So if that's not posted, it will be posted ASAP, but it should be up already. Next up, I have an obsession with these cropped full zip scubas. First, I was obsessed with the half zips and then the full zips, and now they got the full zip crops. These ones are definitely the ones I've been reaching to ever since they came out, ever since I purchased one. I think I have like 5 of them now, so kind of crazy. But this is in the meadow pink color. I think $118. It was full price, and I got it in a size 2, which is my typical size. Pink is never something I gravitate towards. If there's different colors of it, I will get the different colors first and then get the pink one, so I ended up picking this one up as well. I feel like it'll pair really, really nicely with Sonic pink outfits or another outfit that I have over here that I will show you. It's great. It's super flattering and very comfy as well. I just love how it looks, and I just love how it like form fits to you and just makes you look so snatched and nice, so had to get that one. This is a We Made Too Much item, which I saw this and I was like debating it. I tried it on in store in the black in a size 4. It was too big for me, so I was like, let me try the 2. The problem with the 2 is that it's hard to get over like my kind of like quad butt area. Like I really gotta tug it up there, and I'm always scared that I'm gonna rip any of the seam. I don't know how much I'm gonna be wearing this. I'm sure it will stretch out after a while, but not a lot. So not a big fan of it, just because I'm always like so nervous and I gotta jump up and like make sure that it doesn't break. This is it. I think the color is dark onyx. I have no idea, to be honest. Originally $138. I think it was on sale for like $99. And then this is just the Crossback Nulu Yoga Bodysuit in 25-inch. I just love the detail at the back. As you can see, it's like crisscross and open and very cute, while the front is just very plain and subtle. This color is also really, really pretty. I'm a huge huge Java fan, so this one was similar to that. I know they have espresso now as a color. I haven't purchased anything from that, but maybe when I'm back from my trip we might have to do a little haul of espresso things. I saw this color and I do have the Scuba in it. I want to get the shorts, but the shorts were sold out in both the 2-inch and the 4-inch, so I had to stick with the 25-inch for the Align pants in dark lavender. This was regular price, $98, and I picked it up in a size 2. I love the fact that it is single aligned. I hate double aligned leggings. Double aligned leggings and the Align tanks are definitely the two items that I absolutely hate from Lululemon. Everything else is pretty good, especially the Align leggings. These are staples, must-haves, like absolutely love these, but if they're double lined, keep them as far away from me as possible, please. Very flattering. Size 2, I could also go for a 0, which I typically do if the 2 is not there, but my preference is a size 2. And I'm so happy because now I can have that with my cropped Scuba. Moving on to another item that I have, and I wanted to make it a complete set. I have the shorts for this, I have the Align bra for this, and now I have the leggings. And these are 28 inches, so I will have to drop them off to get hemmed, but they are in the Velvet Dusk color, and they were on markdown again, so I did just pick them up. And I actually thought that maybe this color with the bra as a matching set and having this pink over would be like a really nice pinky kind of outfit. A few more items. I actually saw this and I bought it on a whim. Did I need it? No. Will I use it? Yes. I do like it better when it's open, I will say that. When it's closed and zipped up, I don't like it as much, but when it's open it's very pretty. This is the Rain Rebel stretch jacket. I got it in a size 2. Again, it was on markdown. Originally $248, and it is the plain black one. If you can see here how it cinches in, it has a cord on the inside where you pull and you can tailor it to your waist, so it gives you that nice like shape. Even though this is like a rectangular kind of jacket, I love that detail because it does cinch you in for the waist. It's very flattering. Love it overall. It is very lightweight also. I haven't tried it in the rain yet, but I definitely will. And then it just has the little flap to go over the zipper, and the zipper works great a lot of the times when it is double zippered. I feel like it's sometimes tricky to go on and off, but this one I was so pleasantly surprised because I was able to just open it like that, super easy. And then here is the cord on the inside, so it does have 2 different places where you just pull it. It's just overall a great jacket. The pockets also have zippers, which is nice. 2 more items. Let's do another markdown one, which I saw this in store for the AB cup. Tried it on, did not like it. I thought it was not very supportive, but I wanted to try this one. I think I will be returning this one. I don't even know if I'm going to try it on because I feel like it is very showy, and this actually has padding too, so I feel like it gives you a little bit of a lift. It's very flattering, not gonna lie, but would I ever wear this to the gym? Probably not. It is very cute though. The color is a nice neutral. I wanted to wear it under shirts. Maybe I will just wear it under shirts to look nice, but by itself it's just way too much cleavage for me personally. I don't like that, especially at the gym. I don't like having cleavage. I would much rather just wear shorts and like a nice sweater over top and like be like that instead of being all, you know, out there. Also the pads, if you can see, kind of stick out, which is kind of weird, and I don't like that, especially when you're wearing it too. You have to like tuck it in a little bit because it does stick out. I do prefer these over the ones without padding though. The last item that I got, I needed to test these out because new Aligns came out. Well, I don't know if they're new, but they're new to me. I don't own any of them. This is the Lululemon Align High Rise Wide Leg Pant, 31 inches. I got in a size 2. Definitely could have sized down to a 0, so keep that in mind. I feel like these are very stretchy compared to the regular leggings, so I would have sized down to a 0. I might actually exchange them, but these are them. And although it does say 31 inches, you'll see on the try on, I don't even need to get this hemmed. I feel like they'll fit perfectly. It also does have pockets as well, which is nice, which my boyfriend's sister actually put me onto this. She ordered it. She's told me that she loved it, showed me a picture of it and everything, and I was like, you know what, I need this too, so immediately ordered it as well. It looks like a dressy pant from far away, but it's very, very comfortable. It is the Lululemon Align material, so you already know it's buttery soft second skin type feeling. Don't even feel like you're wearing pants, and just so comfortable to lounge around in, so love that. And also, I know you're not supposed to wear Aligns to work out, but I wear them every single time. I wear nothing but Aligns. The shorts, the leggings, everything Align to work out. And I'm sorry, I just do, and I feel like they last great. I know they have one too that's tighter at the calf, but personally I think that looks a little bit weird in my opinion. That is everything for today's video. If you guys were ever curious about what $1,000 looks like, In Lululemon items, this is it. Some things were full price, other things were marked down, but I have a question for you guys because I'm curious. What is the last thing that you purchased from Lululemon? I want to find new things, see what you guys like, and then, you know, maybe create a small little shopping list to test out some more items if I don't already own it. So yeah, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up and also follow me on Instagram for all the room content, all the food, all the adventure, all the fun. I'm literally just so excited and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye!